Aganu'u AF101. My name is Abner, CEO. I'm from Tacoma, and it's been a great experience, learning like a lot about my culture. I'm really interested in learning all this Samoa stuff,
Wala ngā se leo ona oanga o le tautua. Wa maea ngaluenga, le ngaluenga a le aunga sese. A whiwhio matala mai a au I le laulau whatai.
Okay. Whaluia se silwhanga maulunga I lau sunga whawhengaga ma whalakua.
O leo te tautala le teo whātupu ma le teo whātamali.
Ia, o lau whātamali I le nei, o lea o whola I nāt.
O lea o ke kaukala, I le ke wha kupu, ma le keu wha kamali'i.
Nice.
Ai mātou te wala au, atu, ma le wha alo alo, tele.
Nice.
Fio mai, tala mai a aule I le lau lau.
Hi, my name is Gwen Leitwala and I'm from Kent, Washington. I really love this whole thing, this whole program, because it gives opportunity to learn about our culture.
When we went to see these women in Puapua, and we explained to them why we wanted to take the video, and they were so happy for us to take the video, and they said, oh my gosh, those might be our children or our grandchildren that are going to watch this video from overseas. We present that video with a lot of love from those women in Puapua who are sending their love and hoping that you guys carry on the culture like they do. Okay? So when we talk, you need to be at the same level with the other person. That's why we sit down. Even if I want to go and say I have to go and tell Tuiloma there something, I don't go and just say, yeah, Kuiloma, no, you go and sit down next to them. Even if it's just a small conversation, but how you place yourself is really important.
Oh yeah, I like doing the vale au lau lau, because I like eating food, so I'll be the one to tell everybody, if you're hungry, come eat. Instead of saying English, I can say in Samoan, so yeah, that's what's up.
Just to have a voice here in the United States about what we're doing here, and the fact that we're so passionate about how our culture and how our traditions are done, and the one thing I learned in church is do everything in excellence. So not only do things in church excellence, do our work in excellence, but I want to do everything like our culture stuff in excellence. So that's why I'm here, and I'm so excited, and thank you for this opportunity.
But your homework is tonight, please practice the topic that you're going to do. Those of you that want to do a topic that you guys did today, you learned last night, that's cool. Focus on that. Those that are able to learn something new, please let's work on it, eh?